Hello YouTubers. This is just a review on the a power inverter Sun 250. My model number on the Sun 250, I know you can't read this, at least I can't tell if you can through the viewfinder. The model is a Sun 250G. Normal AC output power is 225, maximum AC power output 250, AC output voltage range, which is 115 volts. AC output frequency 46 to 65. DC input voltage range is 10.8 to 30 volts. Operating range minus 10 Celsius to 45 Celsius. And under stackable, it says yes. Well, of course, DP Devil always goes to the extreme. If you take a look, we can look inside of it right now. Isn't much to these suckers. For being grid tied, this is very small. If you look here, see that green thing right there? That's a 30 amp fuse, just like what a car's got. And if you look over here, it's got a buzzer on it. I've never heard that buzzer go off. I'm thinking maybe if that's over voltage. Here's our fan. Looks like a pretty good fan actually. Then we got all these diodes up here, like 8 of them. And then we got 8 more right here. If you just look at some of these, you know, like this here, I got over here, I'm just thinking, you know, what if you can modify these? That would be cool. I'm probably not going to modify it, but maybe if I find a broken one sometime or something on the internet or something, I might just buy it for cheap and try something out. Because I got this over here. This is actually from a UPS, a 250 watt UPS, which takes DC, of course, 12 volts. And it's got a lot of different diodes on it. If you look at this red diode in here, this big long blue one, or red one here, it says on the side of it, it says 400 volt MPP. What that means, I have no clue. But they say there's very little resistors in here. There's one there, one there, one there. A lot of empty space. There's a whole bunch of space over here for some. See the plugs there you can solder in. It just checking it out. Like I say, that there's 2 resistors here. This is like a board right here where your DC connects in. And it looks like it's got a red and a green, which is your positive and negative that goes to the board. Positive, negative from this board here. And then it goes, looks like it's going to go through that 30 amp fuse. But yeah, I just thought I'd tear it apart, just like usual. You only got to pull one end off. The way it comes apart, I noticed VW on some of these inverters I've been seeing online, they have a little symbol right here. It says Sun Grid Tie. And like I say, the model says Sun Grid Tie 250. That's it. Or Sun G250. But yeah. The way this goes on is you just slide it across there. This thing's got to move out of the way a little bit. I don't know where. It's hard to do with one hand. You lift it up. Here we go. Lift it up like that. And she just, come on. Get in there. Oh, can't hit the hole. slides together just like that. Actually, she must lift off. Yep, she lifts apart. What holds it together is when you put the two top screws in on this plate. You put the bottom screws in and the top screws in, and then I guess it doesn't slide on it, lifts off. Well, VW, there you go. Don't worry about the videos. If you ain't got nothing better to do, I don't know what else you're gonna do. It's all about saving money on grid tying, and that's where I see it. That's the way I see it. But there ain't too many people out there that are doing any testing on them. They're just hooking them up and settling for what they get, and I'm not that type of guy that settles for what I get. I gotta have more. So if I didn't, I wouldn't be where I'm at now. So over and out, YouTubers. Grid Tie 750 review. They work real well.